In this video, I will show you how to do a Remitly money transfer to the Philippines. So to do this, first just go to remitly.com or download the Remitly app on your phone. Now right here for me, automatically it's set to send money to India. Now to change this, just click on what it says for you right now. So for me, India, and just type in Philippines and click on Philippines right here. Now also make sure that the country you are sending from is correct. So for me, it's set to the Netherlands. But if you're from a different country than what it says, then just pick your country right here if it's available. So then after doing that, enter how much you would like to send in this section or how much you would like the recipient to receive. For example, 6,000 Philippine pesos. And then you can see the rate here. You can see you don't have to pay any fees on your first transfer, and you can then click on get this rate. Then here you will need to create your account if you don't have one. So then you must click sign up right there, and it's really fast, but I already have an account, so I'll just sign into my account. But just go and create yours. It should only take a minute or two. So after doing that, for me it was reset to Nepal, so therefore I'll just click on the drop down here and again type in the Philippines and select it from here. So once you have selected the correct country, as you can see Philippines in this case, then just gonna click on send money. And then here again pick how much you want to send. So again I'll do 6,000 Philippine pesos, and you will see on your first transfer you don't have to pay the fee. So then click continue. And now to send money to the Philippines, you can then pick the delivery method. Now for the Philippines, they have quite a lot of them. So bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile money, home delivery, or a debit card deposit. For example, I will pick mobile money, and then from there, it kind of depends what you need to enter on the delivery method you picked. But if you selected a mobile wallet, then you need to select which one they use. So for example, Gcash, and then enter their first, middle, and last name. Now middle name is optional. And then enter their phone number, and then choose if you want the recipient to get notifications or not, and then enter the reason for sending and click continue, then the relationship to the recipient, and then choose how you want to pay for the transfer. So it kind of depends how you can do it on which country you live in. For me right now, I can only add a new card, so I'll click on that. And then here I just need to enter a debit or credit card, and then I can confirm the transfer, and then the money is going to be on its way to the Philippines. So now you know how to do a Remitly money transfer to the Philippines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.